Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Which surah is known as the heart of the Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Fatiha, Surah Yasin, Surah Al-Ikhlas. Correct answer is Surah Yasin. What is the term for the Friday prayer? Taraweeh, Eid Salah, Jummah, Tahajjud. Correct answer is Jummah. Who was the first caliph of Islam after Prophet Muhammad? Umar, Ali ibn Abi Talib, Abu Bakr radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Abu Bakr. What is the Arabic term for the concept of monotheism in Islam? Shirk, Tawheed, Sunnah, Bid'ah. Correct answer is Tawheed. How many surahs are there in the Quran? 114, 120, 199. Correct answer is 114. Which Islamic month comes after Ramadan? Rajab, Shawwal, Dhul-Hijjah, Muharram. Correct answer is Shawwal. What is the Arabic term for the night journey of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Hijrah, Isra Miraj, Laylatul Qadr, Eid al-Adha. Correct answer is Isra and Miraj. What is the name of the Prophet Muhammad's first wife? Aisha, Hafsa, Khatija, Fatima radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Correct answer is Khatija radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the Islamic term for the declaration of faith? Salat, Zakat, Shahada, Saum. Correct answer is Shahada. What is the name of the cave where Prophet Muhammad received his first revelation? Cave Hira, Cave Thor, Cave Sira, Cave Hira. Correct answer is Cave Hira.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.